Hello students, since we cannot be together in school to celebrate this special day, we have decided to bring the celebration virtually to you. Before that, I would like to tell something important about National Science Day. National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February every year across India. But do you really know why do we celebrate this day? The National Science Day commemorates the invention of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Sir Raman on this day has invented the Raman effect in the field of science. Sir Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize in the Physics in the year 1930. By celebrating this day as National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. Congratulations to all my dear students who took trouble in sending work on time. Now sit back and relax and enjoy our virtual celebration.
My project is about photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food.
My topic is solar system. Now I will explain you about the solar system. Water is the gift of nature. All living things needs water to drink and bath. Plant needs water to many foods. Is Venus. Venus is second planet from the sun. Venus is called morning and evening star. Uranus rolls sideways. Neptune is dark, cold, very windy.
You know that the only one planet which is seen by living creatures on it is Earth. Thank you.
We can use the dam for swimming, fishing, boating, etc. We always remember to save the water. Thank you. There are their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Food chain is a transfer food energy from plants to animals and then to other animals. This food chain like most food chain starting with a green plant. Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide and water to make their own. Sunlight, carbon dioxide and water convert to the oxygen and glucose.
Photosynthesis is the process that converts carbon dioxide and oxygen using the energy of sunlight.
Grass is a producer who produces food by the help of sun.
Flower produce fruit, and the fruit have seed in them.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Inside there is a baby plant called as embryo, and the rest of it is called as cotyledon.
Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system.
My project name is water tank. Rainwater stored in the tank. The solar system consists of the sun and everything that orbits. This project is made entirely using waste materials like cardboard, binding wire and newspaper.
Dams can be designed to conserve water resources on a regional basis.
These are cotyledons or seed leaves. They also fall
as they grow.
Uranus is the cold planet with temperature dropping to 224 degrees Celsius.
Venus is the hottest planet. We live on the Earth. Jupiter is the biggest planet.
This project of mine shows that water travels from the roots, stems and different parts of the plants.
Dam can control floods, thereby avoiding a big disaster. Dam provides prime areas for boating, camping and water sports.
Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to the Sun. It is very hot during the day and very cold during the night.
Soil and sunlight to make food. Thank you, teacher. Sprout at the end of the shoot, letting photosynthesis to take place.
This is a model of dam. When it rains, water collected in the dam.
Foliage leaves. The small crinkled leaves on top are the first true leaves of this seedling. A seed needs proper sunlight, water and soft soil to grow.
The grasshopper eats the grass, is a primary consumer. The frog eats the grasshopper, is a secondary consumer.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce their own food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. The plant grows up the water.
Different organisms eat each other for survival. Food chain starts from plants and ends from animals.
Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of a plant. Carbon dioxide plus water gives oxygen and glucose.
And fungi is a decomposer to decompose all the things.
Frog is eaten by snake. Snake is eaten by eagle. Food chain shows how each organism depends on someone else for survival.
Government is not able to supply a pill about to fresh water. It is regularly by all humans, animals and plants.
Dam helps us to control water and most important resources. Water is very important because plants, animals and humans need to drink.
The seed goes into a plant is called germination. The seed has three major parts called seed coat, embryo and cotyledon.
Frog is eaten by snake. The snake is eaten by owl and fungus. It is decomposer. Thank you.